Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making both devices ready. Charge the AirPods and ensure the Samsung phone's Bluetooth is active. Open Settings, tap Connections, then Bluetooth, leave the list visible. Put AirPods in the case and open the lid. Press and hold the pairing button until the LED flashes white. Why this matters? The white flash makes the AirPods discoverable, and having Bluetooth already open shortens pairing time. Once the LED appears, move to the Samsung to accept the device when it shows up. You'll see AirPods appear under Available Devices. Tap the name to pair. Once paired, make sure both media audio and call audio are enabled in the device's Bluetooth profile so music and calls route correctly. Then open the Bluetooth Advanced Options or Device Details to choose the best codec supported. AAC for better Apple compatibility, aptX if your Samsung has it and your AirPods support it via accessory apps. Once configured, test playback and call audio to confirm the correct routing and volume behavior. You finish by testing both music streaming and a phone call. Verify mic and controls work and adjust media volume from the phone and app independently. If audio stutters or disconnects, forget the AirPods on Bluetooth, reboot the phone, then repair. This often clears profile conflicts. As a final fix, reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until amber then white, then pair fresh. One tip, switch Bluetooth off and on the Samsung between attempts to clear cached connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.